Glandy is the world's first AI-based digital monitoring solution for thyroid diseases. By using biosignal data and digital images, Glandy monitors changes in thyroid dysfunction and thyroid eye disease. Thyroid dysfunction is a chronic disease with a 6% prevalence rate in the global population, requiring lifelong management through daily medications at optimal dosages. However, patients and doctors have no alternative way to monitor disease status besides periodic blood tests. In thyroid eye disease, early diagnosis and treatment during the active inflammatory phase are crucial. Also, during the treatment, monitoring changes in symptoms is important. This is made challenging due to the lack of tools that enable continuous and seamless patient monitoring. Glandy is the first and only solution that addresses the unmet needs in both thyroid dysfunction and thyroid eye disease treatments. First, let us introduce our TED monitoring solution. We have Glandy CAS, EXO, and LID. All together, they provide a comprehensive assessment of key changes in thyroid eye disease. Glandy CAS evaluates the activity of thyroid eye disease using AI image analysis and patient symptom surveys. Glandy EXO provides objective and consistent measurements of exophthalmos using deep learning technology. Glandy LID evaluates eyelid retraction. It uses an AI model that analyzes the eyelid contour and measures the distance from the center of the pupil to the upper eyelid from multiple angles. It also provides an analysis of the entire ocular surface area. Glandy brings groundbreaking innovation in the diagnosis and treatment of thyroid eye disease. There is a structural challenge in the diagnosis of thyroid eye disease, as most thyroid patients receive care from internal or family medicine physicians. As a result, many patients with thyroid eye disease face difficulties in receiving timely treatment and effectively managing their condition. Glandy facilitates timely, multidisciplinary treatment for thyroid eye disease. Now, internal or family medicine physicians can detect thyroid eye disease during its active phase and swiftly refer patients to ophthalmologists. Meanwhile, ophthalmologists are able to monitor their patients' treatment responses and provide optimal, personalized care for each patient. Patients can use Glandy outside of the hospital to quickly and appropriately respond to symptoms of thyroid eye disease, managing both symptom relief and exacerbation. Now, let's move on to the thyroid dysfunction monitoring solutions. Glandy HYPER and HYPO enable patients to monitor changes in their daily thyroid hormone levels based on their heart rate. By comparing changes in their resting heart rate to their baseline heart rate, patients can predict their risk of thyroid dysfunction daily. Glandy enhances clinical efficiency by monitoring minute changes in thyroid hormone levels daily. Patients with thyroid dysfunction face difficulty in monitoring their hormone levels outside of regular blood tests. By the time patients visit the hospital, symptoms are often already severe due to irregulated thyroid hormone levels. Using Glandy, patients can monitor changes in their heart rate to predict in a timely manner whether their thyroid hormone levels are stable or if there is a risk of hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism. Glandy helps determine the optimal medication dosage for patients who have relapsed after discontinuing medication. Patients who have recently started medication following an initial diagnosis, patients with stable hormone levels, and patients requiring dosage adjustments after radiation therapy or surgery. This also allows patients to detect thyroid hormone changes early and help identify the optimal time for dosage adjustments. For patients who do not require dosage changes, Glandy reduces the number of unnecessary in-person visits and tests and instead uses telemedicine for regular patient care. For those who need medication adjustments, Glandy assists in determining the appropriate timing for such changes. The patient data collected by Glandy is integrated with GlandDoc, a medical chart system for healthcare professionals, allowing them to review the information in real time for effective patient care. Thyroscope continues to research in order to bring a better life for patients suffering from thyroid diseases and enable them to take control of their health efficiently so that they may lead stable and sustainable lives. Take care of your butterfly. Let your worries fly away. Glandy.